Like the thought of using it makes me go, oh, again, all that mess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know my previous video was also, one of my previous videos was also a review of a product, and again I'm doing a review, but I think people really need to know about this product and what I have to say. So I bought this last week from Nykaa.com, and there's going to be a haul coming right up after this video, so make sure to check that out. Now, starting with the product, it's from Color Essence, the high definition powder, and it comes in this packaging, and I'm in the darkest shade, that is Dusky, and it retails for 350 rupees, and it has 10 grams of product inside. So this review is gonna be like a first impressions plus review kind of a thing. So when I got it first, I was really happy on seeing it, but the only thing that I noticed was it has this very pinky blushy feel to it, so I felt like maybe this might not suit my skin because it looks very fair and very bright, and much more brighter than my skin, which is a little obviously dusky, and even this is dusky and everything, but still it just didn't feel like it would fit me. Next, I was just checking it out, and I saw that the bristles of the brush inside are they're coming off and they're stuck to the cap on the inside. So that was a turn off, because what kind of a brush is it where the hair is falling off and sticking to the cap is definitely not a good scenario. Moving on, I opened it, it was pretty nice and everything, and I can still right now, it's the same as when I opened it, I can actually see the hair that's coming off. Look at this, they're coming off like in bunches. So that is a very bad, like it's a very big turn off for me at least. Now so I saw that this is happening, and I tried to feel the brush, and it was pretty rough. I mean, I would not like to put this on my skin because I know that it's going to hurt me. The bristles are that pokey. Next, I tried to open it because I had to know how am I going to use this. So first of all, it's a very big mess. Okay, this packaging, this product is a very big mess. Next, when I opened, I saw this label over here which says tear from here, over here, tear from here, and when I tried to tear it, when I tried to remove it off, it's a sticker, right? So when you remove the sticker, it's going to leave a stickiness behind, which is you can feel when you touch your skin against it. So I started leaving that, and I said, what's the point of sticking something when you're gonna remove the product? It's gonna stick to that sticker particle, which is going to be really dirty. Like you're going to have powder stuck all over the lid all the time. So instead, what I did was I just poked into the hole over here that they've given. There are 7 holes for the powder to come off, and I just poked into them. The next thing, I was wondering, how do I take out the product now? Do I like pour it like this, or do I pour it into this, or how do I take out the product from this to use? So that's a very big issue. Next, I was just trying to work things out. So what I did was I shut this and I tried to put it over here, and then I got some product in this cap. Now again, that was my stupidity. Obviously this brush is not going to reach the cap. How am I going to remove product from this cap? Then what I had to do is just pat it down like this to make it come till the end of the lid, and then I took it and then I started applying it, and it was pokey. Like, I was so upset with this product. I was like, what is going on? Anywho, so I used it the other day, and fine, given the product is actually nice and it does suit my skin and everything. And one thing is that the smell is really nice. So if you guys have ever got a beautician at home to do your makeup or get you ready and everything, so the smell that comes out of their vanity is the kind of smell that's there in this, and I absolutely love that smell, so I'm happy with that. Then when I applied it on my face, in natural light it looked very baked and very white. So I shut my curtains, and then I put on the normal lights in the room, and then it was looking a little better. So what I thought was, maybe I cannot use this during the day, but I can definitely use this during the night. So it's pretty pigmented, I could say, but like I haven't even used it yet and it's all over me. Like, just imagine going through the same struggle all the time when you use it. Like the thought of using it makes me go, oh, again, all that mess. I am not up for this, and I don't like messy stuff like this, like just flaking around me. So anywho, I've not poked in all the holes, and I still haven't found a way to remove the product from this. You can see it's there, but it's really irritating to just open it and see your product over there. It's just not a good scenario to work with. So if any of you all have used this and you all know how to make this thing work, then please tell me in the comments below. I'm just like, can you all understand my struggle to deal with this mess over here? I don't think I'm doing enough justice with my expressions right now, but it's really annoying, and it's really like, even when I apply, even in the summers when I apply normal powder on myself, I make sure that I make the least amount of mess. I try to like take it out of my hand and then put it or whatever. I just find different ways to use it, and this is doing something even worse. So I need to find a way to make this work. If y'all have used this, then please let me know how do y'all use it. It's a good product, guys. I want to use this. Color Essence people, y'all did good. The product is good, but y'all didn't do packaging good. Do something. Anywho, so I don't know whether to give this product a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but y'all can give this video a thumbs up. So please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos every Saturday, and I don't always crib about products. I think this is the first time that I've come across something like this. So don't worry, I'm a very happy person like that, you know. It's good to know me. So give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. That's next Saturday. Tune in for more content, and that's it. Do you have anything else left? No. Okay. Bye. 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 Bye.